dumped rain at my house. Doesn't look like it really rained over here this way. I'm on the way to Greer. I'm glad it did. It was unbearably hot. It was like high 90s. Right now it feels really good. I know it's still really humid, but it feels great. So the list race was canceled along with the cruise, but I'm kind of glad because that gives me some time to go out there and do a little testing. So I'm just gonna make some casual passes and we'll see how tonight goes. I'm gonna play with this a little bit more and see if I can get it to make 1 pound. Let's just see where it's at first. I'm gonna bring it down to 10 degrees. We'll do 5 here and 10 there. Look at that, Mazda buddy. 5. And do 10. Let's see what that does. Still 2. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna do 5 and 5 and see what that does. I don't know, man. I guess we're making 2 pounds. It doesn't really matter what I put it at. We'll try it. Well, Randy's a bit late to the party, but he said he's here because I broke something.
Yes, I'm here because he broke something, and I've got the cream soda Dr. Pepper. I'm trying to spare him, so I didn't bring my car tonight.
Oh, Lord.
And,
hey, you got a set of wheels right there.
I'm sitting on the throne.
He is.
The Miata Khalifa throne. Good luck out there, y'all.
I appreciate it, bro. Hell yeah. 0 fucking timing pulled. That's close enough for me. Sheesh.
Yeah, this is dirty.
LS Mazda buddies.
It's actually Camaro motors, Corvette valve covers.
Alright, well, it makes about 1 pound, but if you stand on it for a little while, it makes about 1.5 pounds. I'm just gonna let off the clutch real easy, and I'm gonna let off the button once it's fully disengaged, and we'll see how that goes. If I didn't fucking miss second gear, that would have been a good pass. Holy shit, man. What? Oh, it stayed together and it worked. Oh my God, I don't know how many times I can do that, but woo-hoo-hoo! That felt good. I can't believe I missed second. That sucked. I had no idea what was happening once it started happening. Wow. That's cool though. I hope that it's safe to keep doing that. I'm gonna have to look at the data log and see how much boost it made and how quick. I missed second, so I don't know what the 60 foot ended up being. 60 foot. Damn! That's gonna be stout, bro. If it holds together with me leaving on 2-step like that, that's gonna be fucking stout. I got it to where it only makes 1 pound on 2-step. It don't pop or anything, but I got it. It don't pull no timing, so it made 1.5 pounds if I sit there for a few seconds. I don't know. Hopefully it works. We'll see, bro. Ooh, that don't sound good. Oh, that don't sound good. Oh, that was a Detroit locker not catching. Oh, I thought that was my clutch. If it ain't one thing, it's the other. it out. All right, so it made more boost than I wanted it to make on the two-step, which it was around 2.5, almost 3 pounds. And I broke both CV axles on 3.8 pounds, I think it was. So it's again close to dangerous territory. It left very well, and then I come off of it, and it shoots up pretty quick. But there's something going on. Something doesn't sound good. The Detroit locker's acting funky, and then the clutch sounds horrible. Let's try it again. That don't sound good. That don't sound good at all. Everything's so short-lived. I wonder if it got hot and I can knock it off. I don't know. Let's see. Sometimes it gets hot spots and you can just give it a good slip and knock it up. That sounds bad. That sucks, man. That was a really good leave. I just wish it didn't lock me out a second and I got a good time out of that.
You ain't gonna run no more tonight?
I don't think it's a good idea. No, it's hurt. That would be a really dumb idea to go back out there and do that again. I want to drive it home. Yeah, and then put holes in the bell housing and all that. I don't want to fucking change the clutch already. That sucks.
Damn, that's crazy.
Oh well. Well, we got a couple of lift cars. Who do you think is gonna win, Jeff or LJ? That tune a little too saucy. And we done for the night. Well, it was kind of an uneventful night here at the track, but it is what it is. Found the next week link, but I don't know if I recorded or not, but it stopped making as much noise as it was. Doesn't sound as bad. Sounds normal like it was, but I don't know, it's on its way out. So we'll see how it does on the way home. Well, I don't think it's slipping. I can't really tell, but I don't think it is. We'll hit a little third gear action right here. That wasn't slipping, but you hear the clutch still. It's not happy. That sucks. I can't beat on it like at the track, and I don't know, the Detroit lugger's working for now, but I don't know. Too many things going on. It is what it is, man. If you follow along, you're not surprised. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh well. But you know, I mean, I'm not gonna stop beating on it. Just gotta figure out what breaks and improve it and change it and just keep doing the same thing. But I literally am tapped out of money. I wish I made some money off YouTube. That would be really cool. So like, comment, subscribe, share it. It'd still be a long time, but I'd appreciate it if you did. So I don't know. I'm gonna assess some things and we'll be back with another video shortly. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for